quick update from the Wallies in Pontiac. So these are really coming along. I'm gonna scooch under. All right. So it looks like to me that one that was like had a hole there, it was because they were putting in a van accessible ADA station. So that's why it's got its own little connector and doesn't have the longer spout, like the spout or the handle, whatever you want to call it, like the other ones, but it's definitely closer. So it's looking like it's almost done and everything's shut off. These are not the new V4s, they're V3s, but everything looks good. Can't tell from this cabinet, but it's definitely got the two cabinets, and you can see where the pallets were in the preform. So man, this thing is ready to rock. There's looks like it's a 600 amperage. There's the volts. This is the master controller one. Sorry for the wind. It does look like they had to fill two holes. Interesting. All right, well, there you go. It's looking like it's going to be close to finish. Hopefully they open it up soon. And I think what the guy told me when I was here last is they're waiting on the electrical connections. Looks like we still have a few to do here. But there you go. A windy update from the Wallies in Pontiac.